Do you find it hard to save money? Well, you're not alone. Many people struggle with saving, often because it feels like a chore. But what if there was a way to make saving money as easy as buying a cup of coffee? Today, we're going to unravel the magic of automatic transfers, a simple yet powerful tool to help you save money effortlessly. Imagine if every time your paycheck hits your account, a portion of it magically transports into your savings or investment accounts. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Well, that's exactly what automatic transfers do. They are your own personal finance fairy godmother, working behind the scenes to ensure you're saving money even while you sleep. So how does one set up these magical automatic transfers? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you need to decide how much you want to save. It could be 10% of your income, $20 every week, or any amount that suits your financial situation. Remember, the goal isn't to save so much that you're left eating instant noodles every day. You want to save an amount that still allows you to live comfortably? Second, you'll need to choose when you want the transfer to happen. You could choose to have it coincide with your payday, or pick a random date. The key here is consistency. Like a loyal butler, your automatic transfer should dutifully move your money at the same time every month. Finally, you'll need to set up the transfer with your bank or investment platform. Most banks and investment platforms have this feature. Just navigate to the transfers or payments section and look for an option to set up a recurring transfer. Enter the amount you want to save, the date you want the transfer to happen, and voila! You've set up your automatic transfer. So, to summarize, setting up automatic transfers involves 3 steps. Decide how much you want to save, choose when the transfer should happen, and set up the transfer with your bank or investment platform. By setting up automatic transfers, you're taking the stress out of saving money. You're making saving a regular part of your life, just like brushing your teeth or having a morning coffee. And the best part? You're building a nest egg for the future, all without lifting a finger. So why not give automatic transfers a try? You might just find that saving money can be as easy as pie. And remember, come back for more financial insights and tips, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.